Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the color wheel. So what's the color wheel? Simply, it's a guide to mix colors and how to mix colors. So in the color wheel, we have 12 colors, or we have 12 triangles. And all these colors divided into 3 categories. So we have first the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and they are basic colors and cannot be made from mixing any other colors. Second category is secondary colors, and orange, green, and violet, and each made by mixing 2 primary colors. Now the tertiary colors, they are 6 tertiary colors, and each made by mixing 1 primary color with another secondary colors. Now here we have a real example. So I have 3 tubes. They are the primary colors, blue, red, and yellow. So if we mix blue with red, we're gonna get purple, and when we mix red and yellow, we're gonna get orange, and mixing blue and yellow, we're gonna get green. And now we completed the secondary colors. Now let's move to the tertiary colors. Tertiary colors, I'm gonna take this purple color, and if I'm going to add a blue color, so it will be a blue purple or blue violet. And if I'm going to take this purple and add 1 drop, for example, of red, so it will be a red violet. Same goes with the blue and the yellow. We have the green. So if I took the green and I added a hint of blue, it will be blue green. And if I add yellow to the green, it will be yellow green. So if I do all of them, so now I have 6 colors. Now I completed the 12 colors. So this is really briefly what's the color wheel and how these colors all came together. Now let's move to something else also in the colors. And this example, first I want to give the credit for a Skillshare teacher. Her name is Anna. This is exactly her example, and it's really beautiful, and I don't want to change it, so that's why I'm telling you that's not my example, it's hers. So another thing also, you will find it in the color wheel, is the color scheme. So we have something called monochromatic, and this is using any tint, tone, or shade of just one color. And to do that, you just use water, from dark blue to the light blue. The second thing, we have the complementary colors, and they are 2 colors directly opposite opposite of each other in the color wheel. And she said this example, we can see it in nature. For example, the strawberry, the tomato, because they are complementary color, green and red. Lastly, we have something called analogous, and they are colors that are near to each other of the color wheel. So you can choose from 2 up to 4 colors, near to each other, as I'm showing you here. So I choose yellow, green, and blue and green. So this is the analogous. This is also in the color wheel. Also, if we want to talk more, deeply about the complementary colors, so we have 3 complementary colors, yellow and purple, blue and orange, red and green. So if you took, for example, the yellow color and add every time a small amount of purple, you're gonna get all these mixing. Same goes with the orange and blue and red and green. So if you have the tertiary and secondary primary colors, and if you want more colors, you can just mix the complementary colors, and you're gonna get a really beautiful result. Now let's make the color wheel and paint together. So you took any circle shape. I trace here a circle die. You can do a cup or a plate or anything around. Then you're gonna draw 12 triangles, because so we can add the colors. After that, I'm going to write down the color I'm using. This is another tip, but we'll talk about it later in other video about using cold colors or warm colors. They will give you the same results or same colors, however the tone will be different. I mean, not the tone, I mean the color, it is a cold color or a warm color, and this is really different story. Okay, so here I wrote the name of the colors. So first thing I'm going to put the primary color. So I put the yellow, and you leave 3 empty triangles, then you put the red. Again, leave empty 3 triangles and add the blue. So now we put the primary colors. Next we're going to do the secondary colors. So again, mixing red and yellow. Yes, red and yellow give you orange, so we put it in the middle. Same with red and blue, purple, put it in the middle, and yellow and blue, green, and we put it also in the middle. Now I will take this orange color, and if I'm going to add yellow, so I will put the outcome, the result, like orange yellow, it will be between the yellow and the orange. And if I took this orange and I added red, so it will be orange red, so I put it in between the red and the orange. So this is, we get the tertiary colors. Last example I want to show you is if we were going to use the different colors, like our different brand. This is Dr. P.H. Martin, and this is the liquid colors. They are very shiny, very vibrant, and really one drop goes a long way. So, and also here is the concentration of the colors, or the colors itself, they are different. Now we have magenta, this is not pure red, and we have like cold blue and even a cold yellow, and the results are really beautiful. Again, this is the difference, but again, we talk about in different video if you're gonna use warm colors or cold colors. Again, doing the same, start with the primary colors, then the secondary, then the tertiary. And of course, you write down the colors, so every time you can use in every color wheel, you can use different shades of blue, and you're gonna get a different result, and they are absolutely beautiful. So this is really in briefly what's color wheel, what's inside the color wheel, how we get all these colors and the examples. So I hope this benefits you. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye. On screen, I have got 2 more related videos for you to check out. Also, I would love seeing you at my Instagram account. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.